In this video I will start to show you the DSP process bill of material. In the bill of material process there are several roles: requester, production, finance, finally a reviewer. After the reviewer has been finalizing his role, the BOM will be posted into SAP. There are options to auto process different roles, which I will show you later in this demo. Now we go to DSP. I will start to add a new business process, in this case create bill of material. Open the drop down, create bill of material, press the save button. A pop-up screen appears where you can enter your material, in this case 1157327. It has been found. Then we are searching the plant. There's only one plant, 3601. The BOM usage, I would like to make a BOM for production. Which alternative BOM do we want to create? I will just leave it as none. So then it will automatically create the first following number. Change number, I would like to add it today. A comment, demo for video recording. So this helps other colleagues to understand why you have created this request. I would like to use a copy reference by selecting the button on top, copy with ref, using the same number, 1157327. I will copy it from plant 3601. There's only production existing. I would like to select BOM number 3 because that's the one which I would like to use as a reference. And the copy change number is the last number, the last activated number. Going back to general, selecting the save button, and then it will start to generate a request. The request has been saved. Now we can submit. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. You see the job has been completed. The request has been submitted for processing. I would like to go to my first role. And my first role will start to show the following information. I will create an alternative BOM 04. These are the components which are copied from alternative BOM 03. I would like to change the quantity from 401 to 400 and save the line. And for the whey powder, I would like to change some of the component scrap. So by selecting the 3 dots, then clicking on edit, and it is a bit more than 0.30, it will be 0.305, and we got an instruction to activate the distribution key for equal distribution. And I will save this entry. Then we got a request to check if water is not costing relevant. So selecting line 0070. The costing relevancy is on the item data screen. And yeah, we see the relevancy to costing is not relevant to costing. And we can close it. On line 60, we would like to add a storage location. So storage location W001 with the supply area MLL processing, and save the entries we just entered. Close this screen. We would need a new alternative text because this was the test for video recording. And we save the BOM text, the alternative BOM text. There's another BOM text you can also add, which is on here. You see this is test for, but we can also change this for test for video. Recording on the 7th of July. Save. Going back to the components, so everything looks fine. Kilograms, valid from, valid to. You can validate if everything is fine, if there are any warnings or errors appearing, by selecting this little button validate. So no errors appear. Then I can finish my role as a requester. Yes, I'm sure. The role has been finished. I can go to my next role, but in this case I will select the button roles to see which is next. As you can see, the production role has been set to auto process, and the role has been auto processed by DSP. So the next role which is available is the bill of material finance role. I will select it and I go to the bill of material details, because as a finance person I would like to see if the palm oil has the correct component scrap, and in this case I need to adjust it also to 0.35 and save. Some of the fields these are the fields which are available for finance. If you close the line, close the field, and there's a little button hide show fields. If you click on this one, and if you do the same for line 30, you will see there are more fields appearing. If you select the edit button, you can see these are the three fields: operation scrapping percentage, net indicator, and component scrap. These are available for finance to be adjusted. And on the item data, as you can see, the costing relevancy is finance is allowed to change this. But I do not make any further changes, so selecting the save button again. Finance is also done with their reviewing and adding or adjusting data, finish their role. Also, the finance role is finished. Let's have a look at the overview of the roles. Requester, production, and finance is done. Now the last one is the BOM reviewer, which I will select. The local reviewer is checking the quantities, probably maybe some header data, which is on the first line. Is the base quantity correct? The start date, the BOM status active is very important, otherwise we have an issue or an error, but that's also available. So nothing to be reviewed or looked at. Let's go back to the roles. If something is wrong, he or she can reset the role. So for example, the requester needs to add something, then the role can be reset. But in this case everything looks fine. The BOM reviewer is finishing the new bill of material. This is approved, and the next process which will start is the BOM posting process, which will happen automatically in the background, and we need to wait a few seconds before that's getting posted. As you can see, the BOM post has also been posted by process, which is done automatically by DSP. It is still processing, now it's done. So now let's have a look in SAP to see if our new BOM 04 has been created. I'm now moving to the SAP screen. In SAP, I go to transaction CS03. I'm entering my material number 11573227. 11573227. In plant 3601, BOM usage is 1. I press enter and I see my new BOM 4 has been created today. So let's make a double click. We can also look at the text the BOM text and the alternative text. It's been created with this change number. DSP SAP is the user who created it. Let's go back to the items. The 400 kilograms has been there. And let's see if the component scrap has been adjusted to 0.35 for line 30. And we also made a change on line 60, sorry. Let's see, line 40. We also made a change on line 20, the whey powder, the component scrap and the distribution kit has been activated in SAP for this bill of material created by SAP. This is the end of the process create bill of material by DSP.